everyone, welcome to Crafts in Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked crispy spicy chickpeas. Soak the chickpeas overnight and then parboil them. As you can see, it should still have a little bit of resistance in there. Do not boil them completely until they are soft. To this, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add salt to taste. Half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. And just a very few drops of lemon juice. Now mix everything well. Here I'm using a disposable tray. You could use a cookie tray or a sheet cake tray. Spread everything into a single even layer with gap in between, which will help the baking. Bake this at 400 Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes and stir twice in between. And the chickpeas are ready. Don't forget to check the description box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And hit the bell button.